So hi guys, we have waved off from Pale toll gate. Let's see how the camera looks. The camera looks good. It's recording. I put my camera directly on charge. क्योंकि charge खत्म हो गया था guys. We are currently headed to Bikers Adda, and the plan is basically to take a small detour in between where we go for breakfast. और फिर वहाँ से हम बाइकर्स अड्डा पे जाएंगे. दिस इज माई फर्स्ट टाइम राइडिंग इन ए ग्रुप, तो ये भी एक्सपीरियंस कर ही लेते हैं, देखते हैं कैसा लगता है. Although I love to enjoy myself alone, that gives me the liberty to go anywhere, stop anywhere, which won't be possible in this case. It's been a long time that I vlogged. I think last time when I vlogged was a month back. I planned initially previous week to go on another solo ride and do a vlog, but unfortunately, my madam G, uh, Friday, Friday, last last Friday, she didn't feel. I don't know, it was a gut feeling or six sense. I don't know what it was, but she did not feel it was safe for me to ride last weekend. So I bailed out on Saturday's plan. But I did uh, try to go for a ride on Sunday. I woke up early morning at around 4:30 and kept all my gears and everything prepared and ready. And unfortunately, as soon as I was about to go for the ride from my home itself, but what happened was me and my bike Himu, we fell just near our home, and the crash was a very bad one because uh, I got disbalanced on a slope, so the bike dragged a little. Uh, there are scratches in this metal guard, there are scratches in the engine guard, and also at the side. I hurt my knees as well. And when all of this happened, the thought of my Madam G not feeling safe for me popped up again. For a brief moment, I thought, let's still go for the ride. But then, as soon as I started the bike, I saw that the angle of my handlebar, that the direction of my handlebar, and everything was messed up. The mirrors were messed up, the alignment was messed up. So I did not dare. I parked my bike. I went back to sleep. Woke up, informed my madam G. She got scared. Um, she told me, "See, I told you." I did not feel good about something about this ride, and yeah, that's what it happened. And also, there are a few people here who are using Insta360, which is also one of my dream camera. Not particularly Insta360, but any 360 cameras. Most probably there are DJI 360. I was looking out for good uh, tank bags, magnetic tank bags, and I saw in Moto Torque's website last night that they sell a 15-liter magnetic tank bag for around 2500. So I think that's a good option. We'll see. We'll see. Wait, am I the last one? I'm not supposed to be behind the marshal, I guess. Hey guys, I had a fun off-roading session just now. So everything went quite well today. Uh, Everything went quite well. Had a great off-roading session just now. Did the laps thrice, 4 times. Look at the view, guys. Just look at the views. How pretty is it? How beautiful is it? It is. Sorry. Uh, so normally such off-roading session can cost you for an hour or two about 1k 2k. The best thing about this Moto Talk event was the roading session. The stunts performed in. I will actually add the clip of the stunts here. I did not perform the stunts. The stunts were performed by the professionals. I was one of the viewers, of course. So yes, so the stunts were performed, and then we were given the off-roading track. The track is still active. People who want to ride are still riding. It was me who left because, as you see, uh, I have a 2 hours journey from here to my home. So I thought, why not leave early? It's already 12:15. If I leave early, I can rest a bit. And since I took off early morning, probably I will rest. I'll do some works. I will finish up the editing, right? And I did use the off-roading track. It was fun. I went up the beaches. I went up the hill as well. But of course, I had fun, but I still can't control uh, this beast. What I mean by control is when you do off-roading, you have to master your bike. Right now, it's more of like I ride normally to the normal roads. I can control it totally, but for off-riding, I have never learned off-roading. So I did not take those risks like others. Those who have less. Oh damn! Look at the hills, buddy. Just look at the hills. It's such a nice place to ride to. Will the countryside road count as off-roading? I think it should. Don't you think? Should I click some? Should I click some photos? I don't think so. I don't feel good. It's way inside villages. So let's get out of the villages. Probably we have. Um, why do I think that I have been here before? I don't know. For some reason, I think I've been here before. Damn! Look at these pretty hills. Look at the view. Look at the view. Just look at the view. I think I know where I am. I am near Kanapura most probably. So we took a detour route and came to Kanapura site. I'm kind of sure of it. It is great. It is great. I had fun. I had fun. Also, I got goodies as a goodwill gesture for attending the event. Uh, the goodies include one keychain from Moto Talk, one cap for Moto Talk, and a t-shirt as well. I wish my madam she would have been here. She would have loved the ride. She would have loved this for sure. Oh damn! I've been here. I've been here. It was the ride to uh, few months back. I rode towards a dam. There was this dam that I saw. I am pretty sure it is that same route. I'm near the same village. Okay, I got it. I got it. I'll go home and check. See, does this count as off-roading? See, it does, but it is nothing compared to the off-roading track that I did. I love my Himalayan. Um, do I regret not performing in distance or not making distance wheelies? I don't think so. I don't. I love my motorcycle. I love to ride, and I'm enjoying it. Do I want more? Nah, it's fine. I'm cool with it. Do I hate stunts? No. It's just that I'm not willing to take that risk. It's fine, I guess. I came from off-roading just now. Shall I do my off-roading here? Hell yes! Do I really want to do off-roading? No. The reason for me doing this off-roading is first to get a view, yes, but I already know the view as I've been here before. But the main important thing is to fix my mirror. Hi guys, I'm back again. So why am I back is because I am in the electronic city, Mysore to Electronic City highway, and it's quite empty. So I thought I would make a vlog. I thought I would continue the vlog in the Mysore to Electronic City highway. And since I can shoot only for 12 to 15 minutes. Okay, so under the bridge, the road is Kanipura Road, and this is from where I used to go to my college. Okay, so what I was saying is I have only 12 to 15 minutes of space left video foot in my SD card. So why not shoot and finish up the video now? Because once I reach Bangalore, it will be on traffic, so I will have nothing to show. And whereas now, if you see, it's all empty road. Uh, the weather is good. The weather was kind enough to us. This cloudy weather, not too much sunny. Uh, I loved I love this cloudy, gloomy day. Some all of this. And to be honest, I wanted this ride to happen. I manifested this 15th August ride because for the last 8 to 9 years living here in Bangalore, and for 8 to 9 years I never got the chance to host flag during Independence Day. And this time I was like, I have to do something, I have to go somewhere. because I don't stay in a society. Most people who stays in society, they get those flights. I have always been staying at standard buildings where they don't host flights. I did not check the timestamp how long I have been shooting, so I don't know if I have any space left in my memory card to finish up the vlog. If not, I will probably finish up the vlog now. So hey guys, it was a fun weekend event hosted by Moto Torque. Um, the stunt performers were great. The stunt performed was great. I've enjoyed. I have probably added those stunt videos in this video itself. So do check it out. Also do check my Instagram. It's Born and Bike. I post regularly on Instagram. And we will meet again. Probably the next weekend. So stay tuned and see ya.